I'm going to suggest that the easiest way to get started using your Moodle is to begin by just putting web pages on there. So that's a place where you can share information, links with students. You might want to talk about their homework, talk about projects that are going on in your class, anything like that. So I'm at the home page for my Moodle, and I'm going to turn the editing on. What that's going to do is change the look of my home page and offer me some different choices in what I can do. And to add a web page, I'm going to click on this Add a Resource, and there's a drop-down menu. I'm going to click on Compose a Web Page. One of the things I want to warn you about in Moodle is that if you press the forward button or the backward button or the refresh button or possibly your backspace button at the wrong time, you can lose the information that you've typed in because the page will either go forward, go backward, refresh. It's quite frustrating. So if you're doing anything that requires a lot of text and you don't want to retype it, what I would suggest is that you type your information out in a Word document and then copy and paste it into your Moodle afterwards. So there's your warning. Let's get started. The name will be the title of your page. So this one is going to be How to Create a Web Page. And below is a summary, so that you would just tell a little bit about what the page is about. And if we scroll down to the Compose a Web Page, that's where we actually get our full web page that the students will link to and they'll see all the content for. And you can type things in there like any other Word document. If you're going to be copying information in from Microsoft Word, click on the little Microsoft Word button and that will just clean it up and make it formatted appropriately for the Moodle. So I'm going to demonstrate that now, and things come out normally. If you've got pictures in your Word document, they won't copy and paste properly. So really it's better to put in all your text, copy and paste it into your Moodle document, and then you can add your pictures, etc. afterward. If you want to put in a hyperlink to another web page, for example the Google home page, you can do it two ways. First way is to put in the text that you would like to appear, highlight it, and click on this link button, and put in the URL that you want to go to. If you look at the target and click on that, you have three options there: a new window, same frame, same window, or other. I like to use new window because that always allows the students to come back to the home page or the page that they came from, your Moodle. So I'm going to click on New Moodle and I'm going to click OK. Now the second way to put in a hyperlink is to put in any URL and it will automatically be formatted as a hyperlink. So if I put in the Google address, and hit my spacebar or enter, it will automatically be formatted as a hyperlink that students could click on. The next thing I'll show you is how to add a picture to your page, and you're going to do that by clicking on this Insert Image button, and you're going to get a pop-up window. It looks like this. if you know the image URL, so say it's already online and you want to use it, you can copy and paste that there. The alternate text is what would show up if for some reason the picture didn't load. So I'm going to put in a picture of a gorilla here, and I know it's on my computer. So to find it, I'm going to click on the Browse button at the bottom here. That will take me to my computer. I'll look at my pictures, and I have a gorilla down here. I'm going to link to that file. I'm going to click on Upload. And you can see at the bottom here that this is being uploaded. And once I get my gorilla picture uploaded, I'm going to click on it, and that becomes the image URL. And I'm going to click OK. I lost my alternate text. And click OK. And now it appears in my document. The only thing that I'll show you before publishing this is that you can switch this tiny box to a full page editing window by using this arrow button over here, which allows you to enlarge your editor. And it will basically pop up in a full screen editor. So basically that box or that area of your Moodle creation page has just popped out. I'm going to close it again, minimize the editor, get back to my page. So once I've done all that, I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on Save and Return to Course, and now I've got a new page, how to create a web page in Moodle. And when I click on it, I will see this web page that I created. So I'm going to go back to my home page. And that's it for that particular lesson.